welcome back to my channel. It's NK. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve this high puff for fall or winter. It's really easy to do and you're gonna be protecting your ends from the extreme cold. So if you like to learn how to do it really easy and really fast, then keep watching. I look like Big Bird.
To start off this hairstyle, make sure that your hair is detangled, and I'm going to put in some raw shea butter as well as my KINKY shea butter leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to rub them into my hair because I want my hair to be moisturized throughout the day. Next, I'm going to go into some Hairstyle black flaxseed something gel, I don't remember. And I'm also going to rub that into my hair because I want my hair to be flat and laid and slick and sexy. And next I'm going to go into my brush and I'm just going to brush my edges and the hair as well down so then I can have that slick ponytail. Next I'm going to go in with my hairband and I'm just going to tie up my hair into a little bun. And yeah, this can be really tough because natural hair just doesn't want to obey you sometimes. I really don't get natural hair sometimes, but yeah, this is the struggle. So just, you know, as you're doing this part, just take your time, make sure you don't get frustrated with your hair and end up tearing your hair. So yeah. Next, I'm going to go back into my Hairstyle gel and I'm going to put it on my edges because my edges just decided to fly away. And so I'm going to rub that into my edges and then I'm going to brush them and slick them down because this hairstyle has to look really good and on point. So just slick them down with your brush. And now I'm going to use my scarf and I'm going to place it on my edges and tie it because this is going to help in keeping my hair laid and my edges laid as well, because laid hair is the way forward. Next I'm going to go into this full puff which I got from my nearest hair store. And it has a drawstring and 2 combs which help in securing the bun. Securing the hair onto your bun. So I'm going to put in the combs first. I'm going to slide them into my hair. And then after, you have to adjust the bun as well. Make sure that your hairband and your tiny bun underneath is not showing. And then after, I'm going to draw the string and so that it is snug and tight on my bun and so that it doesn't move anywhere. And then I'm going to tie the string around the bun. You can also use a bobby pin to secure it so that it doesn't fly away, but I think it's okay.
Thanks so much guys for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at NKAsh, and please make sure to subscribe and to comment and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye!